Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it is all about a mini Sephora haul and the things that I always wanted to add to my collection, but it never happened then. But now is the time. From Pat McGrath, and it has got 3 items. So let's just open. Familiar with the packaging? It is really gorgeous. And I do not want to cut it, but still. Okay. So the first thing which got me interested is this. So let me try this vinyl lip gloss. I'm already wearing something on my lips, and that is a mix and match of Tom Ford Rouge Plum and YSL Rouge Volupté Shine, shade number 30. And now I just want to use it now, right now. So that is the first product. Wow, the consistency is very interesting. Let me just put it on and then we'll talk. So using it with my MAC's lip brush. Wow, it is amazing. It is amazing. Oh my god, I'm just testing out a couple of things from Pat McGrath, and now gradually I am attracted to the brand, and I'm going to try one by one all the products. Superb. It's really beautiful. So super happy with this product. It's my love at first sight. Absolutely stunning and goes on smoothly, no chunks, but look at the shine. I mean, I just am in love. Great purchase. Okay, so the next 2 things that I would try maybe in my future videos, but I'll just show you the swatches of it, okay? And let me show you a very beautiful color. Such a pretty shade. Matching the liner, yes, and it has got the perfect amount of creaminess, warmth, and beautiful, healthy shine to it. I did not wear it on my lips yet, but you will see the pictures tomorrow for sure. So join me there on Instagram, somaroy.chaudhary. That's my account. Beautiful rosiness to it. So I just can't wait to wear it. Yeah, so it's a happy purchase for sure, and I'm very glad that I got it. And it is like, this is a full size, I guess. Yeah, this one is a full size. Rest of the 2 products are in mini size. This is going to last for a while, right? So that is a beautiful bite size lovely snack for a beauty lover. So check this out. It's still available on Sephora Canada's website, that too on markdown prices. So you know, it's a very good deal, very good deal for the full price itself, but now it is on markdown price, and you can shop through the links down below. I have linked it. Check out this product. So the next product that I was very excited about the moment it launched, my Fenty Beauty's, yes, it's a highlighter duo, and the color is so right up my alley, and I just want to swatch it and use it today. That's the beautiful dazzling packaging. Now my friends, the product. I was waiting for this product and it took a while to come. I don't know why, but that's my shade. Love that. Mimosa Sunrise, and that's why I got this. And of course the Sangria Sunset. So sunrise and sunset, totally summer style. Okay, so everything summer. So that is the product, my friend. I am so keen to try it. Let me try it, okay? It's all dazzling. Yeah, perfect for summer. I just want to use it during this whole summer, but let me just get started with it right now. There is my blush brush. Okay, I did not wear any blush today. I just was waiting for this moment. I applied my Westman Atelier bronzer, which I'm absolutely loving, and now I want to try the sunrise first. This is the pickup, and I'm just going to dab it on my arm, and I just love this kind of product. These kind of products make me feel like just super stunning. Very beautiful, absolutely gorgeous blush. And I want to say, why didn't I use it before? This is just beautiful. A lovely tangerine kind of feel, totally summer, and I think I'm glad also that I'm using it now at peak summer. It's just stunning. So that is, well, I'm so glad that I got my hands into that. I'm very happy that I selected now, and I just can't tell you how gorgeous the products are and how happy I am. So thank you so much for watching, and it is a mini haul, and you can say that it's a mini haul, first impression, a little bit of swatch play, all that mixed in together. Visit me again. See you then. Have a great weekend.